Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create lists inside HubSpot. Lists, or segments, as HubSpot calls them, let you organize your contacts, companies, and deals based on specific criteria, making it easier to target the right people with your marketing campaigns or sales outreach. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Log in using your HubSpot account credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to start building your segment. Next, look to the left navigation panel and hover your mouse over the CRM option. An expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, locate and click on Segments, which is sometimes labeled as Lists. This is where all your audience segmentation happens. Once you're in the Segments section, you'll see a selection of your existing lists displayed on the screen. This gives you a quick overview of how your contacts are currently organized. To create a new one, look to the upper right corner and click on Create Segment. This button opens up the segment builder where you'll define exactly who should be included in your list. Now you'll be prompted to choose the segment type. HubSpot gives you several options here, including contacts, companies, deals, tickets, orders, or even lookalikes. You'll also see the number of records available for each type displayed at the top, which helps you understand the scope of your data. Take a moment to read through the description of each segment type to fully utilize this tool and choose the one that fits your needs. After selecting your segment type, click Next in the upper right corner. The next step is to name your segment. Enter a clear, descriptive name in the name field at the top of your screen. Choose something that makes it easy to identify the purpose of this list later, especially if you're managing multiple segments. Now comes the most important part, adding filters. Click on Add Filter to start defining the criteria for your segment. This is where you specify exactly which records should be included based on properties, behaviors, or lifecycle stages. For each filter, you'll choose a property, an operator like equals or contains, and then the specific value you're looking for. Once you've set your filters, click Next in the upper right corner to proceed. Finally, you'll be asked to enter a description of the segment and select the processing type. The description helps your team understand what this segment is for, and the processing type determines how HubSpot updates the list over time. Once everything looks good, click Save to create the segment with your defined criteria. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.